We bit off a little more than we could chew.
Yeah.
Well, we're in it, and we're gonna finish the job.
Should we get started on the upper level?
No.
What the hell are we gonna do? We've sunk all of our money into this place.
I've got an idea. I'll be right back. So, listen, we're gonna want to be leaving now.
Why?
Because I just emptied a full tank of gasoline and lit a match. We've got about 5 seconds.
Didn't we have an electrician there today?
He left. Pretty sure he left.
Isn't that his truck?
Well, by God, Brian, we're murderers. I guess this means you'll be going to doggy hell.